The legend of the large golden table, which rises occasionally from the bottom of Jamaican rivers and ponds, is widespread in Jamaica. One such story surrounds the Rio Cabre River. Table lies hidden. The Spaniards left this table, made of solid gold, during their quest for gold many centuries ago. But often at noon, on the hottest of blazing hot days, the golden table will rise slowly to the surface and hover there. When the greedy see that table, they long to steal it. Many have tried. Sometimes, people say, River Maid rises out of that same river to sit on the rocks and comb her long, black hair. But, like they say, don't touch River Maid. Don't even look at her. There's no telling what she will do if you try. A St. Catherine planter, hearing of the richness and beauty of the golden table, decided he would take it from the river when it next surfaced. It is said that the table rises exactly at noon, and so the planter waited patiently by the river bank until that time. The table, as he saw it, remained on the surface of the water for about 12 seconds, and then disappeared. Having actually seen the table, the planter devised an intricate plan, which he thought was guaranteed to get it out of the river. 12 yoke of oxen were harnessed to a strong cattle chain with grappling irons at the end. 3 slaves were ready at the water's edge to dive in as soon as the table appeared and fix the irons onto the legs of the table. Once again, the planter waited, and as the table appeared, he signaled for the irons to be attached and the oxen driven, to pull the table out of the water. As legend has it, the table sank, carrying with it the straining oxen and the slaves who were still in the water. According to some legends, River Mumma is the guardian of a golden table that was thrown into the river by Spanish pirates and slavers when they arrived in Jamaica.